stories. Like பண்ணுங்க, சாப்பிடுங்க, subscribe பண்ணுங்க.
The Bird with Two Heads. Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a very special bird named Bharunda. What made Bharunda so special? He had two heads but only one body. Each head had its own brain, its own eyes, and its own mouth, but they both shared the same stomach. First, the two heads got along well. They flew together, sang together, and enjoyed their life. One sunny day while flying near a river, the first head saw a delicious shiny fruit floating in the water. "Wow! What a tasty-looking fruit," said the first head. He quickly picked it up and started eating. The second head got curious. "Hey, why didn't you share it with me?" The first head smirked. "Why should I? We share the same stomach. Whether you eat or I eat, it goes to the same place." The second head felt hurt and angry, but said nothing. Days passed, and the second head was still upset. Then one day he saw a poisonous fruit on the forest floor. He picked it up with a sneaky smile. "If he doesn't share with me, I won't share either. Let me eat this fruit." The first head shouted, "No! Stop! That's poison. If you eat it, we'll both die." But the second head said, "You didn't care about me, so now I won't care about you." And before the first head could stop him, the second head ate the poisonous fruit. Oh no! Since they shared the same stomach, the poison spread quickly. The whole body became weak, and soon the poor bird fell to the ground. Moral of the story: fighting with ourselves only causes harm. Work together.
Thanks for watching.